Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer or simply the contacts, it doesn't really matter, and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon right in the middle, and here on this camera icon. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you are ready to catch a photo in 1 second. So that's quite a cool option, but you can also choose the photo from the album, so from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Here you have to decide where you want to complete this action, so you can do it using Google Photos or simply your gallery. I will pick this one, let's say just once. Of course, give all the permissions if you're doing it for the very first time, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on the photo we'd like to use. Right now we have to again decide where we want to complete the action, and we are about to crop the photo. So again, we can do it using our gallery or this time Google Photos. And okay, it can be always. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of this square and the position of the photo. What's more, we can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is simply responsible for it. What's more, we can change the angle, we can rotate the picture a little bit. It's really up to you how you want to set it. If you're happy with the results, just tap on done. As you can see, it will immediately appear right here, but in order to apply it permanently, you have to remember about tapping on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we've got this contact saved. After getting back to the list of contacts, you can see that the photo has been applied successfully, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number, for example. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, so actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.